What's up, Telliscopes? It's your girl Telisse, aka Curly Tails, and I'm back here with another video. And today I'm doing something very special, my first episode of Cooking with Tails. And I have a very special camera woman here today, my sister Carice. She's not gonna be on camera, but she is here with us. Say hi.
Hey, Telliscopes.
Hey, y'all. Alright, so I'm making grits today. Grits is one of my favorite foods. I'm not from the South, but grits bang.
Love grits.
My grandma's from the South, so I'm claiming it.
Period, poo.
So the first thing you're going to do is pour in 2 cups of water. And then I'm also going to be pouring in 2 cups of 2% milk. But if you are lactose intolerant or you just don't do dairy, you can also just use water, or you can use almond milk, which I have never tried. But if you guys want to see that, I can try that in the next video and do a taste test. Alright, so I'm pouring in 2 cups of milk. Now I'm going to pour in some salt. This is, I don't even know how much salt, but like do it, to your liking.
Just a little spoonful.
That's probably too much, but my sister wants that much, so that's what I'm doing.
That's perfect.
And I'm going to turn the oven on, and I'm going to put it on like 6, which, can they see that? No, put it on.
No.
Put it on 6 and let this get hot. Like, it doesn't have to get to a full boil, but you want to see it steaming. Alright, I'm back, and as you guys can see, I hope you guys can see, it's steaming up. So I'm going to go ahead and pour in a cup of the grits, but I'm pouring them in slowly, and I am stirring as I'm pouring. Alright, now I'm going to turn the stove down, and I'm going to put it on 4. And I'm just going to let this thicken up for probably about 2 minutes, and then I'm going to it's going to thicken up a lot. So then I'm going to come back and stir it really well to get it back to like a creamy consistency. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's starting to like clump up and thicken up. So I'm going to go ahead and stir this really well. So as you guys can see, when I pull it out now, this is what it looks like. It's not clumpy anymore at all. So now I'm just going to let this cook for 10 minutes, and I'm going to be stirring every few minutes just to make sure it doesn't clump back up again. So I will see you guys in about 10 minutes to show you guys how it's looking and to put the finishing touch on it. Finishing touches.
Okay.
Alright, it's been about 5 minutes, and as you guys can see, it's starting to fluff up and look really good. We still got, like 5 minutes more, because it's going to get even thicker than this.
Ooh, this looks so good.
I love grits.
Love.
We're about to smash. So I'll be back in 5 minutes to show you guys how it's looking.
Bye, guys.
Okay, this is how it's looking after 5 more minutes, and this is how you want your grits to look. Now, you can get them to be thicker or thinner than this, and that just means you need to add less water or more water depending on what you want. So if you want it to be thick, add less water or less milk, and if you want it to be thin, add more. But I like this consistency. What do you think, Carice?
Looks amazing.
Looks scrumptious.
So ready to try these.
So now I'm just going to go ahead and add in some, I can't believe it's not butter.
Good butter.
Good butter. And, just add as much as you like. So I'm going to add, a couple heapings.
We like a lot of butter.
We like the butter on it. And that'll be good. So that's going to easily melt on in there. And then you can go ahead and eat.
All good and buttery.
This is the final product. I hope you guys like the way it looks. And if you try my recipe, definitely let me know down below in the comments. I mean, this isn't really my recipe. This is just, the recipe.
Boy, if you...
But let me know down below in the comments, and let me know if you love grits as much as I do.
A bomb recipe.
And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Don't forget to hit that like button.
Yes, don't forget.
Bye-bye.